Hi, Aaron.
Hi, Aaron.
Thanks for letting us come ruin your place. Oh, Mustang almost lost it. Then we got Scott with his Toyota. Cool little Rango to Ranger.
You guys dropped today was freaking epic. Like, that inspired me to go ride my dirt bike.
Hey guys, Prerunners and Presents, the 9th annual. Super awesome event, super happy to be here. Blake and I wanted to do this.
Oh, Mustang almost lost it.
This is a super special event. I've always loved doing charities. A lot of the crew has, and this goes to some really needy families out here. We're gonna work with some local nonprofits in the San Diego area. And there's a couple nonprofits that we work with towards the Los Angeles area too. The last one we had here was actually 6 years ago on this day.
The motorsports scene really is amazing community. Everyone's always getting together to have a good time, helping each other out. So it's really great to have events like this where coming together again, but for a good cause.
I mean, for last minute, this is a pretty damn good turnout, I would say, right? Yeah, 24 was wild. Everything happened so fast. Speed metal. It seems like that comes way too fast every year.
That's what she said.
We had Hell Track again, finally. That was pretty cool. I think we're gonna try to change it up again, right? Maybe for 25 and do something different.
And then this next year we have like a lot of shoots happening, but speed metal, this time I think we're gonna do a 2-day. I just recently found out.
Yeah.
It's been confirmed. We're gonna do a 2-day for speed metal. We're gonna have...
Mark your calendars.
Yeah, we hope to be at the expos again, and then Prerunner Paradise. We don't have a set date, but it will be awesome.
We're shooting for fall, right?
Yeah.
That's kind of our goal.
Yeah.
Fall 25. We could have done it sooner, but
Yeah.
we want to make it special.
Yeah, this coming year we're gonna be doing like a bunch of like grassroots trips, how we kind of used to do a long time ago. We definitely miss that, so we're gonna be doing that.
Random weekends in the desert.
A lot of moto stuff, a lot of drift stuff this year. I would definitely, without giving away too much, we have some really cool film projects coming up that we're happy to have our film team and our media crew on board with.
We have our Terra that's dropping today, right?
Terra, it's gonna be awesome. It's our first moto little mini film. It's rad. We're actually going to be showing that pretty soon. A lot of cool media stuff's coming out, a lot of episodes coming back. I think these last 2 years we've really been focused on events. We're like a small group of friends that does as much as we can with the little time we have, kind of balancing our families and everything else, and building trucks, right? Building trucks, building babies. We got some wheelies back here. All right, guys, let's go check out what's going on here. Thanks for hanging out.
So it starts here. We got Danny's truck over here, Anthony West. We got Harrison with his UTV, Alcohol and Hobbies. We got a couple trucks down here from Blitzkrieg Motorsports. We got Mason. This is Missoula build. We got Eric, SoCal Suspension. Got to have that thing here. Then we got Scott with his Toyota. Which we do have a shirt for. Bam!
And
Kevin with his Dodge.
This is awesome.
Paul American Sender. We got Dweezy. Shreddy, Senders Only. We got Bent Motorsports down here with a bunch of other cool builds. We got the Shark. Cool little rain gutter Ranger, Bronco. We got Darby's Ranger down there in the corner. We got Darby right there. Yeah, stack a little lineup. Some more parking lot stuff. I don't know why Andy's truck is over here hiding. That thing needs to be out,
This is
out front and center.
Yeah, this thing's beautiful.
Probably the most beautiful truck here. Couple Prerunners, train horns. All right, let's go inside. Let's go see why we're actually here.
Look at that tree. It's so cute.
Wow.
Hey, Griswold, where do you think you're going to put a tree that big? Bend over and I'll show you.
This is amazing. Thank you to everybody who donated. We got a lot of awesome toys.
Lots of car and truck
Yeah,
stuff. Monster
cars,
truck
trucks.
stuff.
Kids love that. But yeah, thank you guys again. This is incredible.
Let's see what's going on in here.
So if you haven't been here, this is
The Shreddy Shack.
Shreddy Shack.
Look, they already got a line of people in here,
It smells great in here.
right?
Thankful
Shreddy's
for that.
killing it. Hi, Aaron.
Hi, Aaron.
Thanks for letting us come ruin your place. Now you got a bunch of marks in the street out there. There's a bunch of marks in the street out there. All right, cool.
All right, I think that's it. Let's head back out there. Maybe we can find James. Hopefully Blake.
Yeah.
Just say like, hey,
Oh, what do you know? There he is. We're doing an outro.
Chocolate.
Nice.
It's good.
like the whole scene as a whole, like Prerunners and like just like motorsports in general. Like I love how Shreddy and Terra crew has like expanded into like different things. We got the boat stuff, we got the moto stuff, the skate. I mean, you guys are doing so much action sports stuff.
Everything
The
action.
moto video you guys dropped today was freaking epic. Like that inspired me to go ride my dirt bike.
Good.
Like,
Awesome.
That's what we
dude,
want.
Eddie killed it. We're getting off topic, but
anyways.
Well, if you haven't seen it, yeah, go check it out. It's really awesome.
So let's talk about the toy drive.
dude, it was sick. You know, we threw this together, what, 5 days ago?
Yep.
I almost didn't even have a parking spot, and I showed up like a half an hour, or
Casually.
45 minutes early before it even started, and like this whole front row was already lined out. And I was like, oh, no way, there's actually going to be people here. This is awesome.
I'm not gonna lie, I was a little worried. I was like, I don't know, guys. And
5
Blake's
days
like,
out.
run it, dude.
And now, do you guys see the Christmas tree right in front of the
Yeah,
Shreddy storefront? Dude, it's stacked. You can almost barely walk through there. Like, everyone in East County, San Diego, some people from up in North County that came through and brought presents. We greatly appreciate you. People that donated prizes, partners, sponsors, local businesses. We appreciate you guys as well.
Given that it's so close to the holidays, we're thankful for everyone that came out, for everyone who donated. Thank you guys so much. It's definitely going to kids who will be super excited to receive something. So thank you to everybody.
And thank you for hosting,
Yeah, thank you, Blake.
my dude.
I mean, I've just been floating around, hanging out. Aaron and the crew here at Shreddy, they really helped put this thing together. The glue and the pieces, and
Yeah.
James and Terra and Whoop Eaters, Fiesta Prerunner, all the people that shared it online. Like, this was for a good cause. Again, we got so many toys that are going to kids in need, and we appreciate y'all.
Yep. Right on. Thank you guys. You can say bye.
Bye.
Bye.